Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Google Trends data for USA niche research easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Google Trends website by typing trends.google.com into the address bar. Once the page loads, you will see the main interface of Google Trends. To focus on the United States, click on the Explore button located at the top left corner. In the search bar that appears, type in a topic relevant to your niche. Select the appropriate search term from the drop-down suggestions if provided. Just below the search bar, click on the region filter and set it to United States. Now, adjust the time frame to suit your research needs by clicking on the past 12 months drop-down. Choose the specific time range that you want for your data analysis. Once you have set your search term and filters, click the search button. The results page will display various graphs and data related to your chosen topic. Scroll down to explore related queries and topics that can provide more insights. To download the data, look for the download icon, which resembles a downward arrow. Click on this icon to export the data as a CSV file. Select the location on your computer where you want to save the file. After saving, navigate to your Downloads folder or the location you selected. Open the CSV file using a spreadsheet application such as Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. Now, you can analyze the downloaded trends data for your niche research. Explore different angles and insights that the data may provide for your analysis. Consider creating charts or graphs to make the data visually engaging. Utilize this information to enhance your understanding of market trends and consumer behavior in your niche. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.